Look at it, just sitting there. Wait, this is what those guys are looking at. Let me zoom out. I'll show you. See? This is what those planes are going, the drones are going at. Those are drones. I got video of them connecting to this one. Whoops. See? That's invisible mode. Look at that. Look at that. This is crazy how they do this. You guys are seeing this as I'm seeing it. Except you can't see that in the normal sky right now. You can just see him normal. I think he's just like putting off a bunch of energy to go invisible. But check that out. That's him. See, I'm waiting to see if he turns back into regular. Okay, I'm back. Come on, buddy. Turn that off. Turn off invisible mode. Turn off invisible mode, homeboy. So, you guys saw the drones? You see I got this guy turning invisible on me. And I got just me in the middle. Crazy Bill, Mad Bill. Watching the UFOs. Now he comes out. You see that? Now he came out of invisible mode. You see that? Isn't that crazy? You guys saw it firsthand. See him right there? That's where he is. Now I get closer. Now he goes invisible right in front of us again. You guys are seeing it. Isn't that wild? No idea how that guy's doing that. But obviously, see that shit? See that? What the fuck? And look who's coming. Dun, dun, dun. Now these are the drones that I was taking pictures of in the daylight. They're coming right to my man right here. Let me zoom out. See him? That's not a UFO though. That's a drone. See, that's just a flash that they put out. That's not the UFO. That's a second one. There's two of them. Here's another one right here. Check out my UFO going into invisible mode. In and out of it. Now see, what is the deal with this? Look at them. Look how close they are together. You guys are seeing this with me. I don't know what the fuck is going on around here. But it's crazy. This thing just pops up in the sky, goes in and out of invisible mode. And then I got these guys circling the lake. See, and then this guy goes and he'll turn around. And then look, there's another one coming. You see him? There's a whole nother one coming down the lake. See, he tries invisible mode, but they can't hold it. Oops. So that's what we're looking at. See him right there? Ah, my arms are getting tired. Can't hold this thing up like that, like this so much. So, it's another night of excitement here at the lake. There's my UFO. And I'm gonna zoom out and say, because I already got so much video. See him go invisible? See that? It's crazy, huh? And then where's this guy? He's out there. He's all the way back there. No, he's right here. He's close. That's the drone. That's the drone coming in to my UFO. Where'd he go? There he is. That's the drone that I have a picture of from earlier. See, they just put up a bunch of flashes, but that's not the same thing as the UFO going into invisible mode. These are just regular drones, or regular drones. Some kind of drones that are checking this out. That's him coming across the lake. See how slow he's going? Look, my man went into invisible mode again. What the fuck? Look at that. You guys are watching it. I'm not doing anything like that. That's wild. He's there every night at this time. And he does this shit. And then where'd the UFO? Oh, the UFO was right under him. That's why he's going in invisible mode. How he get up here? That's a different one. There's two of them out here. See him above the tree? He was right below my UFO. He must have hit the gas or something. Anyways, over and out. This is exciting. You hear that up there? Not the freaking